This is Nick Jordan, Associate Product Manager, Bretford. Just wanted to record this video because I know you all were looking for a better description and a better visual of the cord management that's been added to the Cube moving forward in all new manufacturing. So what I have here is a kind of during production unit. Just want to show you inside. So from the front, I've hung a power adapter. Pretty much it works just like some of our other carts where it has these templates here. These are going to allow the cable to fit in just like this, and it's in the front, and then also it's in the back here, so the cable stays taut and in line to drop down, as you can see right in front here. So that's the top shelf. The bottom shelf I have to squat down, pardon me. Same thing, so the lip, you can see it's a bend, and so the same template, and on the back the same template. So you can see the wires will just come through these holes where the units are, route straight back, hit both of those, and then be presented just like that.